Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Java JDK 22 with Java Home in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome. Here type Oracle Java, and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the oracle.com official website of the Oracle Java. Open the first link. Here we find Java website. On top, here we find download Java. Click on the download Java. In this page, we find the latest version of the Java. Any latest version is available on the Java that is found on this page. In this case, latest version is Java 22. Scroll down and find Java 22 or any latest version that you want. Scroll down and find Windows. I want to install it on the Windows, so I click on the Windows operating system. If Mac OS, then Mac, Linux, then Linux. I go to the Windows. In Windows, we find x64 installer, and here we find our download file or the .exe file. Click at here, and our download is started at here. It takes few minutes or few seconds, so be patient and wait for some time. Our download is completed now. Go to here, downloads. Here we find show in folder. Click on show in folder and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here is our setup file, and we are going to install this setup file. That is very easy. Right click on it. Click on the run as administrator. Click on the yes. Click on the next button. Here we find next. Click on next. Here we find the path of our folder. If you want to change, then go to here and change it. I don't recommend it. I go with the same path and click on the next. It's installing our files. It takes few minutes, so be patient and wait for a few minutes. Our download is completed now. Our Java is installed, Java 22. Close it. Now we are going to set an environment variable or the environment path. That is very easy. Go to this PC, double click on this PC. Go to the C drive. In C drive, go to the program files. In program files, find the Java JDK 22. Here we find bin folder. Double click on the bin folder. On the top at this address, click at here, and this is our path. Select this path, right click on it, click on the copy, close it or minimize it. And now next step is go to the start and type environment variable. Type edit the system environment variable. Click on the system environment variable at this point. Edit the system environment variable. Click at here. Here we find system properties. In system properties, here we find environment variables. Click on the environment variables. Here, go to the here system variables. You can add this on the your local account also, but I want to add for the all accounts, so I go to the system variables. In system variables, find the path. Click on the path. Click on the edit. Click on the edit. In edit, we find many things. Go to the here and go to the new. Click on this new button. Click on new and paste the our text at here. Paste it and click at anywhere on the blank space. Click on the OK. Our environment path is set. Now we set the our Java home. That is very also important. Go to the here new, and here in variable name, type Java home, all in capital, Java underscore home. Type this, and in variable value, type the our or paste the our path, and this time remove this bin and /. Remove bin and /. That is very IMP. Click on the OK. Click on the OK. Now our environment variable or the path is set. Next step is check Java version and Java compiler version. That is very also easy and simple. Go to the start, type cmd, right click on the command prompt, click on the run as an administrator, click on the yes. Here we find our command prompt. Here type Java hyphen version. Type this and hit enter key. Here we find our Java 22 version is 22. Next is compiler Java C. Hit enter. Here is our compiler is running. Find the Java C or compiler version. That is also very simple. Java C hyphen version. Type this and hit enter key. Here we find also our Java compiler version. This is also 22. Next step is we create our first file and run that file on our Java and compile that Java file. That is also very easy and simple. I create one folder on my desktop. I create one folder. I give any name. You can also give any name to that folder. I double click on that folder. In this folder, I create one file. I go to new and go to the text document. And here I want to find the path or the extension of this folder or this file. That is very easy. Go to the view. In view, here we find file name extension. Check this file name extension and our file name extension is now showing. We want to rename this file. That is very simple. Select that file and click on the F2 on your keyboard or right click on it and click on the rename and give any name. I give my name Abhijit. You can give any name and remove .txt and type .java and hit on the blank space. Click on the yes. We want to rename it. I want to edit this text file. That is very easy and simple. Right click on it and click on the edit. Click on the edit and it is directly edit in the notepad. If it's not edit in the notepad, then I go to there once again, right click on it and open with. Go with the open with and edit with the any notepad or any text editor that you want. I want notepad, so I click on notepad and notepad is open in my PC or laptop. I minimize it. Here I type some Java code. I type hello Java. I want to print hello Java in my CMD. That is the purpose of this code or the first Java code for me. And go to the here. I type this and go to the here and click on the save. Close it. Next step is compile our Java file. That is very easy. Go to the start. Type CMD. Click on the command prompt. In command prompt, type cd. Then drag this file to here. And it show the path of your folder. Hit enter key on your keyboard and here we find the path of our folder. Now I compile it Java C space then our file name and java.java is imp. Hit enter key and there is no error. That means our file is perfectly running. And when I go to this folder, one also file created on our test folder or our folder and we want to print that. That is very easy. Go to the here Java and type Java, then your file name and this time don't add anything and hit enter key and here we find hello Java. That means our file or our Java JDK 22 is perfectly running on our Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.